All right, we have some big news coming in. The NCB has been granted 7 days custody. That's the information that we get right at this moment. In fact, the NCB has been... In fact, here we understand that NCB has been arguing for a 7-day custody of Souvik Chakravarti as well as Samuel Miranda. Now, Mustafa live joining us for more details. Mustafa, please take us through. We understand arguments are still underway. We hear that the NCB is all likely to have its way. 7-day custody for Souvik and Samuel Miranda. How far do you think are there chances to get bail now?
Well, given the custody, it's unlikely to get bail, but what maybe the lawyers are arguing are on the sections which have been applied, and they are arguing whether under those sections, under those circumstances, whether a custodial interrogation can be allowed or not. That is the section which they are arguing. But once the magistrate court has granted custody to both the accused, they will likely be with the NCB for further custodial interrogation. The NCB wants police custody for Samuel and Souvik for 7 days. The demand was made for 7 days, citing the sections 2029 of NDPS Act. And for Kaizan, in fact, the NCB has clearly said that NCB does not want custody for Kaizan. For Kaizan, NCB has clearly said that they don't want custody, and it's likely that his COVID test was also not done because of the same reason. And Satish Manashinde, who was arguing for Souvik, is basically arguing on the legal points, saying that all sections are bailable in nature, and hence Souvik custody is not required. So basically all of the arguments are happening mostly on the technicality and not on what the accused have said and what the NCB has presented. Advocate Subodh Desai is the advocate for Samuel Miranda, and he is saying that basically they are also saying that the custodial interrogation is not required, but it's likely that the magistrate court will give custody for around 6 to 7 days to both Souvik and Samuel, and Kaizan will be released on bail as his custody has not been asked for. So after that, the case will progress further, and in the afternoon, post-lunch, we'll have to see what happens at the Sessions Court, where the bail application is to be heard, and the NCB officials will be proceeding from here to the Sessions Court to argue on the same sections and whether the tenet of those sections can stand by during this proceeding. We'll have to wait and watch. Back to you.
Mustafa, thank you very much for joining us, but do stay with us. We understand that there's a lot happening inside court. Do tell us, if at all, there is the NCB there who's seeking for 7-day custody. Have they found anything particular with regards to Souvik Chakravarti there actually selling drugs? Anything particular, considering that if he's found selling, then it's a grievous offence and he could be jailed for multiple years. Mustafa, before...
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.